As we've thought about ways that we're going to partner with our clients and looked at how design thinking and design sprints enable organizations to really quickly solve some of their most pressing challenges through the structure and constraints built into the process, we really believe that it offers the ability for our clients to think differently about how they innovate to enable them, again, to grow and scale their impact. I'm the managing director of engagements with Stand Together. Stand Together is a nonprofit organization that offers venture investments and consulting services to other nonprofits working across the United States to find sustainable solutions to poverty.
My name is Kevin Gunther. I'm a UX designer at Online Business Systems. It's a software development company with IT DevOps focus that primarily focuses on security and digital transformation for our clients.
My name is Siún Brown. I'm a Director of Experience Design at Forsman & Bordenfors. We do both traditional advertising, television, out of home and digital.
Design sprints and design thinking is ultimately consistent with the culture that Stand Together tries to bring to our nonprofits, which sort of prioritizes the democratization of innovation. Everybody has a unique perspective and great knowledge to bring to a challenge in an organization, and getting everybody together in a sprint allows that knowledge to emerge in a structured way so that you're getting the best of the best to facilitate the process of them, again, growing as an organization.
In a company with a history such as ours, there was a realization that large ad companies needed to adopt some of the more nimble work processes that smaller product shops and studios work by, not just for better products, but actually for happier people.
I think that design sprints are an extremely efficient and effective way to bring that design thinking in a low commitment sort of environment, right, where you're not spending a lot of development dollars up front for a proof of concept.
The big thing I think that a process like this brings is equality. Everyone has an equal weighting. There are no titles in the room because everybody is contributing and everybody is deciding what gets built. I think there was a great uplifted energy feeling in the room, and people felt, wow, I've accomplished something in a couple of days that would typically take not just a lot of time, but a lot of meetings talking about the work as opposed to doing the work.
Making sure that you have the right question to attack, I think, was really valuable for me to think a little bit differently about how we move into a sprint and get ready for it. And maybe the option of having a specific framing work stream or workshop ahead of time, separated by some time, where you can then do the research to validate your assumptions and gather more data, I think will be a really powerful thing for us to bring to bear to our clients.